What's up guys? Ngayong araw guys, samahan nyo ako mag-react dito sa pinakabagong cover song ng paboritong banda ng bayan, Franz Rhythm guys. Ito yung pinamagatang Walk of Life. Ayan, napakaganda nito guys. Sama-sama tayo manood, makinig at mag-react. Ganda ng tunog ng keyboard ni Char. First time ko maririnig tong kanta na to guys. Suabe nung intro ah. Parang ano to, country song, ano. Pansinin nyo guys, gamit ni Master Chen yung kanyang bagong Fender na gitara. Telecaster.
Here comes Johnny singing all these goodies. But baby, what I say. Here comes Johnny, I've got a woman down in the tunnel just to make it pay. He got the action, he got
Cowboy na cowboy yung datingan ni Tatay Franz, ano? Pati yung kanta. Bagay na bagay sa kanya itong kanta na to.
the motion. Oh yeah, the boy can play. Dedication, devotion, turning with the nighttime into the day.
Yun yung nakakamiss guys no? Yung kanilang blending. Grabe. Matagal-tagal din silang walang upload. Kaya nakakamiss naman talaga yung kanilang mga kanta.
Song about the sweet loving woman. It's a song about the night. Then you do the walk of life. Yeah, do the walk of life.
Parang may bago na naman silang ampli. Parang bago yun yung aking nakikita ngayon. Tsaka pansin ko nag-level up na naman eh. May nabago na naman sa kanilang tunog guys. Mas naging quality na naman. Mas nadagdagan na naman yung quality ng kanilang tunog. Ayun no, yung speaker. Ayun guys, so yung aking binabanggit. Parang PB yata yung tatak ng amplifier.
Walking shoes. Here comes Johnny with the power and the glory. Backbeat, the talking blues. He got the action, he got the motion. Oh yeah, the boy can play. Dedication, devotion, turning all the nighttime into the day. The song about the sweet loving woman.
Nakakamiss din yung palo ni Dudes eh. Sa drums.
The song about the night. Then you do the walk of life. Yeah, do the walk of life.
Nakaka-good vibes naman tong kanta na to, no? Ang aga-aga dito, yan ang napakinggan ko agad. Napakaswabing cover song ng paboritong banda ng bayan. Napaka-smooth ng tunog nila dito. Nakakapanibago. Mas lalong gumanda yung tunog.
Johnny singing all these goldies. You better let baby what I say. Here comes Johnny, I've got a woman down in the tunnel to make it pay.
Tsaka pansinin nyo guys, yung tunog ng vocals ni Tatay Franz. Sobrang linis na guys. Wala ka na maririnig na kahit anong ibang tunog. Basta napaka-clear nung kanyang vocals.
He got the action, he got the motion. Oh yeah, the boy can play. Dedication, devotion, turning of the nighttime into the day. That's for all the violence.
Yun no? Narinig nyo yun guys? Grabe. Lupit talaga ni Master Chen.
And then do the walk of life. Yeah, walk of
dito yung ano, yung tunog ng gitara ni Master Chen. Itong bago niyang gitara. Parang swak sa mga ganitong tugtugan. Country na. Grabing ginagawa ni Tatay Franz sa bass, ano? Yun, no?
Alright, thank you so much for watching.
Yes, thank you.
Grabe tong cover na to, guys. Isa to sa napakalinis na cover na kanilang ginawa, guys. Yung tunog talagang grabe, napaka-quality na. And may nadagdag pa may bago sa akin tenga, guys, na sa tingin ko mas gumanda pa lalo yung kanilang tunog. And guys, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa paboritong banda ng Bayan Franz Rhythm, guys, andyan po sa ating description yung kanilang channel. Supportahan natin yung kanilang mga video, guys, panoorin nyo at mag-subscribe na rin kayo, guys. At sa mga hindi pa rin nakasubscribe sa ating channel, mag-subscribe na kayo para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod nating upload. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.